If you are facing a 100% disk usage issue on a Windows PC and your computer is running extremely slow, don't worry. In this video you'll find the solution. Method 1. Disable superfetch. Press Windows key plus R to open Run. Type services.msc and hit Enter. You will see a long list of services that Windows is running. Scroll down and find sysmain, right-click on it and go to Properties. Under Startup Type, select Disabled. Click on Apply and then OK. Now just right-click on it and select Stop. Next, look for Connected Device Platform Service. Right-click on it and go to Properties. Under Startup Type, select Disabled. Click on Apply and then OK. Now right-click on it again and select Stop. Method 2. Reduce startup apps. Right-click on the taskbar and click on Task Manager. In the Task Manager window, click on the Startup tab. Here, disable all the unwanted applications. Just right-click on the app that you want to disable from Startup and click on Disable. Method 3. Clean junk files. To do so, go to Windows Search, type Disk Cleanup and select Disk Cleanup from the list of results. Choose the drive you want to clean and select OK. Under Files to delete, choose Downloaded Program Files and Temporary Internet Files, then click OK. Method 4. Turn off scheduled optimization. Go to this PC or my computer. Now select the drive where your operating system is installed and right-click on it. Go to Properties, click on Tools, then Optimize. Make sure that scheduled optimization is turned off. Click on Change Settings, uncheck Run on a Schedule, and then click OK. Close the window and check if the 100% disk usage issue is fixed. So that's it.